welcome back to my channel. I just want to do a very quick haul today because I've got some extremely exciting news, as you just saw. You can now buy these on boots.com. They're not in the shop yet, but they will be, hopefully, very soon. They're $6.99, I think, instead of $140 odd that you buy them on eBay for, which is ridiculous, really. So I got one. Let's do that again. So yes, and apart from that, you know, already tried it. Smells just like it used to do in the 90s, and it seems to do pretty much exactly the same as it did in the 90s. So yes, let's try that again the rest of this week. I also got with some points in Boots. This one is called Prickly Pear, and because they had 2 nail and these ones for £6, I got this one, which is pass, I don't know. And as you can see, I have some bags since I was unwell, so I also got myself one of these. Heard good things, so they're all true. And Benefit are doing Pour O'Clock on Twitter just now, so if you tweet them with the hashtag Pour O'Clock, you can pick up a little, see if I can get that in focus, professional sample, which is free stuff, is always great. Looks like that. So it's not one of those crappy samples either, it's an actual deluxe sample. Very nice. And of course I got a little token for 200 points if you buy a 17 product. Favourite mascara ever. And I also found one of these, which is a backup to my pink gold. Oh, let me see that way. One. So, yes, very quickly, but you know, main star of the show. And do that again. So yeah, that's me.